Heart activation breathing syncs the signals between your heart and mind and brings you closer to your intuition. Try it now. Focus on your breath and start to send each breath in and out through your heart. See if you can feel and imagine each breath passing physically through your heart as you breathe in for 5. And out for 5. Continue like this for a few minutes, and as you enter a state of relaxation and heart cohesion, ask yourself any question and find the answer that aligns your heart and mind.